Culturally and linguistically diverse nursing students face the greatest challenge is Finnish language. In many University of Applied Sciences, they conduct their degree in English, but they need to go to clinical practice to practice the clinical competence. So they have a challenge with the language, and according to research, we have found that those students who had lower level, at the beginner level Finnish skills, they also experienced much more discrimination. Finnish language or Finnish culture can be quite introvert, and sometimes culturally and linguistically diverse students can misinterpret even certain behaviors. However, we have also had reports of quite bad behaviors where students were limited in their learning only towards observation. They could just follow nurse and do nothing else. And sometimes they felt socially isolated and discriminated, which should not be the case, because we need to create this kind of acceptant and culturally diverse environment for students to learn. So mentor can support culturally and linguistically diverse nursing student in challenging situations by taking a role as a mentor and cultural competent mentor. So it is important that the mentor is in charge of the student's learning, and it is important to communicate openly with the team and with the student. For example, when creating learning environment, it is important to discuss with the team staff to make certain rules that in this unit we do not discriminate culturally and linguistically diverse people, including students and patients. For example, when the student comes to the unit first time, it is good to have time to orientate the student and, for example, tell about what kind of rules there are in the unit, what kind of routines, what kind of expectations mentors have of the student, and also ask from the student how they feel. And it's very commonly that actually culturally and linguistically diverse students can also be quite critical and compare different cultures and patient care with their own country. But they also need to learn this acceptance and tolerance and find this kind of mutual agreement of cultural challenges that they can face.